Hello friend, welcome back. This is Golden Thumb. Excuse me. In this video, let's play with a paragraph of text, okay? So I already copied a paragraph and put it here. Oh, there's no update here. It means we need to click the resume button, okay? Resume button. Wow, that's pretty long. Okay, let's make it a little bit smaller. Dot title. Yeah, it's now you see is left aligned, right? Let's change it to center alignment. So we can add another this modifier multi-line text alignment dot center. Yes, okay, it's centered. And now let's try to rotate. Okay, do we need I think yeah, let's try to set a different line spacing. Okay, line spacing here 10. Oh, okay, line spacing, right? You see the gap between lines is bigger now. Okay, so what about the rotation effect? Give it an angle 30 degrees. No, we cannot put the 30 directly. We need to, yeah, degrees, dot degrees, 30. Haha, cool, right? So the rotation center is, right, is the center of this screen. Can we specify the anchor point? Yes. We can use a different version of that, like here, right? This is the angle 30 degrees. Anchor point, okay? So we can create an anchor point, unit point x and y. Let's put it 0, 0, right? So the rotation will happen, will around this corner, 0 and 0. Yeah, right? The amazing thing is we can create a 3D effect. 3D. Okay. Let's try another modifier. Rotation 3D effect. Wow. Degrees 30. Oh, axis. Okay, I think we can hide this part. Okay. So this one is, the axis is y. Oh, axis y. Yeah, so it's right. This is y, right? This is y. This is x. This is x, and the z is. Let's try each of them. Can I make? Okay. So what about? Let's change this one to 0. Yeah, you can play with that, right? 0, okay, nothing happened. What about here? Let's put 1 here. Aha! So angle 30, let's change it to 60. Wow, cool, right? So it's like the whole thing, the screen, right? It's like this plane rotates around this, okay? The bottom, bottom, yeah, the x axis here. And then we can add the shadow effect under it. Dot. Shadow. And yeah, you see the shadow, right? And let's use a different version. W, yeah, this one, color black, okay, dot gray. And the radius, there's no offset for x and y, right? Let's put it to the bottom right. So let's add y for, what about 8? Yeah. And x, push the shadow to the right a little bit. 8. Let's add more for y, like 15. Okay, cool, right? Let's see. Let's give it a try on the simulator. Okay, looks great. Thank you for watching. See you next time.